Welcome to my channel. Before watching this video, subscribe my channel and share this to your friends. This video is about measures of central tendency. Statistics is a collection, classification, tabulation and interpretation of numerical data. Tabulation of a large number of data in a systematic way is the essential part of statistics. It is necessary to minimize the given data since it is very difficult to analyze the entire data. For comparison purposes, the data pertaining to a particular aspect should have only one figure. One such measure we call it as average. A number or a quantity which is a representative of a set of data is called central tendency. The single value which describes the characteristics of entire data is called central value or average. Measures of central tendency. There are 5 measures: arithmetic mean, median, mode, geometric mean and harmonic mean. Here we are going to discuss about arithmetic mean. It is the sum of all the individual observations divided by total number of observation. It is denoted by the symbol x bar. Average is based on all the items. It should not be affected by the extreme observations. It is easy to compute. It is used for further calculations. X bar is equal to sigma x by n. This is for individual observations, where n is number of observation. For frequency distribution, x bar is equal to sigma fx divided by n, where n is equal to total frequency. I will explain the arithmetic mean with a simple example. The question is, the profits earned by 10 companies are given below. Calculate arithmetic mean. Here the given data is an individual observations. So the formula is x bar is equal to sigma x divided by n. Arithmetic mean, x bar is equal to sigma x divided by n. X bar is equal to number of individual items divided by total number, that is 27 plus 32 plus 16 plus 15 plus 10 plus 30 plus 15 plus 29 plus 19 plus 35. N is equal to number of items, that is 10. If you add all the values, you will get 228 divided by 10. That is x bar is equal to 22.8. Arithmetic mean is 22.8. The average profit earned by 10 companies 22.8. If your given data is individual means your formula is x bar is equal to sigma x by n. Second one, discrete data. The frequency distribution is nothing but an orderly arrangement of a data classified according to the magnitude of observations. The question is, the following is the age distribution of persons in a street. Calculate arithmetic mean. We have to calculate the average age of a person in the particular street. Here the first row is age and the second row is number of persons. 30 is the number of persons belongs to age 20 and 50 is number of persons belongs to age 25. 15 persons are under the category of age 40. X represents age and F represents number of persons. Now put a tabular column like this and you write all the values. X is age, that is 10, 20, 25, 40, 50. F is frequency 20, 30, 50, 15 and 5. The total frequency is 120. Now we have to multiply the frequency with x value. 20 into 10, 200. 30 into 20, 600. 50 into 25, 1250. 15 into 40, 600. 5 into 50, 250. We have to find sigma fx. For that you have to add all the values. If you add all the values, you will get 2900. Now for frequency distribution, arithmetic mean is sigma fx divided by sigma f. Sigma fx taken from the table 2900 divided by 120. Total frequency is 120. So x bar is equal to 24.17. The average age of a persons are 24.17. Next one, continuous data. Here the values are given within a range. The question is calculate arithmetic mean for the data given below, some wages and the number of persons given. 52 persons received the salary in between 170 to 180. 92 persons received the salary 200 to 210. 85 persons received the salary 190 to 200. 95 persons comes under the category 210 to 220. We have to calculate the average wages. Here x represents wages and f represents number of persons. Wages are 170 to 180, 180 to 190, 190 to 200, 200 to 210, 210 to 220. We have to write the mid value. 170 to 180, the middle value is 175. 180 to 190, the middle value is 185. 190 to 200, the middle value is 195. 200 to 210, the middle value is 205. 210 to 220, the middle value is 215. The total frequency is 392. Now we have to multiply frequency with middle value of x. 52 into 175. If you multiply, you will get 9100. 68 into 185. The value is 12580. 85 into 195. The value is 16575. Then 92 into 205. The value is 18860. Then 95 into 215. The value is 2425. You have to find the total value. Sigma fx is equal to 77,540. The formula for calculating arithmetic mean is sigma fx by sigma f for frequency distribution. Here sigma fx is 77,540. Sigma f is 392. So the arithmetic mean is 197.81. If the given problem is continuous means we have to take the middle value of x and then you multiply x value with f. After that you have to find the total frequency and sigma fx. Finally you substitute all the values in the formula. You will get the average. Here the average wage is 197.81. Hope you all understand. Thank you for watching.